The universe takes no note what reference frame you choose. Michael Brenner. Does the Eratosthenes experiment prove that the Earth is round? If the whole Eratosthenes story proves anything, it is how easily bent out of shape the human mind is, and how little humans are capable of personally computing what they see. They always expect that somebody else, somebody that they deem smart, tells them what they see. And in our culture, that is preferably an ancient Greek, because they were really smart, or so we were told. Pythagoras comes up with the idea of central fire, one which we do not see through because we inhabit only the half of Earth pointing away from that fire. He says that so he can use the sun as a planet, of which he needs 10 to satisfy the number aesthetic demands of his philosophy. That is not smart. That is a fantasy driven by religious and philosophical obsession. What it certainly is not is science. Eratosthenes, a passionate Pythagorean, takes some of the outrageously fantastical out of Pythagoras' concept and declares the sun as being the visible central fire, yet keeps the fantastic character of that myth alive by postulating parallel sun rays. But parallel sun rays you only get with a light source occupying 180 degrees of the sky, as is always depicted but never observed. The sun clearly does not occupy 180 degrees of the sky, but only 0.5 degrees. So this is so blatantly nonsensical, one wonders about the cognitive capacity of folks. What we see is the effect of a 0.5 angular size light source, no matter what you speculate the distance and size of that source to be. Copernicus speculated the sun's distance from the Earth to be 3,391,200 miles. Kepler decided it was actually 12,376,800 miles away. Newton once said,
"It matters not whether we reckon it 28 or 54 million miles distance, either would do just as well."
How scientific. Of course it matters, because Newton, of all, should know that an orbit is theoretically dependent on the body residing in the hub of the orbit. Benjamin Martin calculated between 82 million miles. Thomas Dilworth claimed 93,726,900 miles. John Hind stated positively 95,298,260 miles. Benjamin Gould said more than 96 million miles, and Christian Mayer thought it was more than 104 million. Whatever you say about size and distance, you have to adjust both so they fit the observed fact that the sun is a light source in the sky of 0.5 degrees angular size. And then both distance and size become irrelevant for the shadow casting effect, because d over r reduces exactly to the observed 0.5 degrees angular size. For the shadow casting effect, only this angular size counts, not the absolute, and the measured effect thus coincides only with a flat plane, not a sphere. If this experiment proves one thing, it is a flat plane. Michael Brenner studied mechanical engineering and comparative linguistics at Vienna University of Technology.
Even when the experts all agree, they may well be mistaken.
Bertrand Russell. Science is the organized skepticism in the reliability of expert opinion. Richard Feynman. Thank you.